Hi, it's Nick here, MedTech World 2025. Karim Tourbah from Lupin Dental has something fabulous, a technology that's reached commercialization stage to revolutionize.
Yeah, so we are developing a multi-treatment, fully automated robotic medical device for what we call tooth preparation. So it's restorative tooth preparation. It is veneers, crown, and implant.
The aesthetic, as opposed to you're focusing on the aesthetic, I guess it's where there's going to be more procedures. You're going to
Yeah,
put
but
it in
it's
the
not
hands
only
of more
aesthetic.
people.
The
Okay.
final result is aesthetic, and aesthetic is a big part of our device. But the main challenge is to keep as much tooth structure as possible, so to be minimally invasive, to keep the health of the mouth. So yeah, of course, at the end, the result should be beautiful, but at the core, we need to give very high care, dental care for the patient.
Right. Tell me a little about the product. It's like a robotic arm that delivers. It's working under the guidance of the dentist. How does it work?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you for the question. We developed a full workflow actually. So we have a planning software. This is the core of our technology actually because it embedded all the clinical expertise of our two founders. So our two founders are two very renowned dentists, very in their own expertise, Dr. Galip Gürel and Professor Stefan Koubi, and they spent practically all their life perfecting and streamline the tooth preparation, and they wanted to turn this into a science because it's mainly, craftsmanship. It's mainly based on the dentist expertise and clinical experience. So we digitalized this actually their expertise, and so we built this whole workflow. And at the end, the robot will automatically prep your teeth. It's like you have the Kubi's and Gurel's hand at your disposal every time.
Strand, duress. I guess, yeah, a dentist can apply his knowledge to more patients, less muscle strain, things like this.
Exactly, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Like you said, we are able to provide this very high quality dental care to many more patients.
and safely. The democratization, just something from your website that stands out is the kind of the democratization of the aesthetic.
Yeah.
People. It brings it into a new line of affordability, perhaps, in terms of the amount of time that's
Yes.
necessary.
Yeah, exactly. And the it's democratization is exactly the right term because our users, the dentists, are not very high qualified or very high experienced clinical. We Every general dentist today can perform the same treatment as those top high level dentists in restorative dentistry.
So you're here at this MedTech event, an intimate space where a lot of business is being done as we speak. How do you go about it? How are you doing business? You're talking your talk, and what's the reception like?
Yeah, yeah, it's really an amazing place. Very good vibes. I actually I love it. It's first time I'm here. Love to be here, and uh, actually now we are at the stage of our development. We are already commercialized. We have 3 devices today in India. So we are doing. We did more than 30 cases, and we have a steady pace now of 3 cases per week. But we need a little bit of fund. Like I think half of the people here.
Well, they're the people. There's people around walking the halls
Yeah.
looking for money, and there's people who have it at their disposal and they're looking for
Yes,
them. It's
yes.
just
So
the right technology, you know.
yeah, I'm looking for investors actually, and to be able, to go beyond that and to develop in other countries. We have a very clear path. The market is very well responding. We have very advanced negotiation with Southeast Asia and with the UK, and actually, in 2 years, according to our roadmap, we're gonna be break even and profitable.
But regards to the clients, at
Yes.
what stage can they redeem their ROI? You know, on their robotic arm. What's the, I guess, an honest projection of how long it takes for the client who's taking the arm to turn to profit on using it?
Oh, they can do it very, very fast actually, because we are targeting very high value treatment. And our main client base cannot do it. So we are providing them the tool to be able to do it. And our business model is very simple. It's based on a pay-per-case system with annual commitment over 5 years. And the dentist, according to our calculation, and we did it with the dentists themselves and with all the DSOs we talked to, so they can double their revenue, they can triple their EBITDA, and we got a piece of it. So it's a win-win-win, dentist, patient, and Lupin.
And a forward ahead as partners in this space.
Exactly. And they don't have to provide any capex because we put the device at their place, and they only pay for the cases because we know that a dental office is like a small business. It's not a big corporation, so budget is not
It's
really
really important when you're coming
Yeah.
back. Cool. I know it's going to be a big success. Thanks, Karim, for coming and sharing your story with us.
Thank you.
Nicholas signing off from MedTech World.